Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Dodge Charger GT louder. First, consider modifying your exhaust system for a more aggressive sound. This is often the most impactful change you can make to your vehicle. We will explore different exhaust options that can significantly enhance your car's auditory presence. Understanding these choices will help you achieve the desired volume and tone for your Charger GT, ensuring a noticeable difference. Upgrading your exhaust system provides various ways to achieve a louder sound. A muffler delete is a popular, budget-friendly choice, offering a very aggressive tone by removing the stock mufflers. For a more comprehensive change, a catback system replaces everything from the catalytic converter back, delivering a deeper, more refined growl. Axle back kits, on the other hand, are easier to install and modify only the rear portion, giving a noticeable, yet moderate, increase in volume. Beyond the main exhaust components, other modifications can contribute to a louder Charger GT. A cold air intake, for instance, can introduce a more aggressive engine growl, especially under acceleration, by allowing more air into the engine. Additionally, removing the factory resonator can significantly increase your exhaust volume without needing a full system replacement. For those seeking a slight sound enhancement while maintaining emissions, high-flow catalytic converters are an option. To summarize, making your Dodge Charger GT louder involves strategic modifications, primarily to the exhaust system. Remember to always check your local noise regulations to avoid any issues. Professional installation is highly recommended for complex changes, ensuring everything is fitted correctly and performs optimally. This also helps prevent potential issues down the road. And speaking of bringing things to life, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.